Aloha there. This is Darcy, and today is your day 23. Do you know that when you smell mold, you're actually breathing in the mold particles? In other words, you're taking in mold into your nostrils and into your lungs. Now, after being introduced to the body, mold actually grows. I know it's gross. And it reproduces. It's a damp, moist place, and it thrives inside the human body. So, this smelling thing also includes anything else that you smell. So, if you smell air fresheners or laundry exhausts, you are breathing in these toxins, the particulate. You're breathing them in, and they enter your body and they affect you. Think about it. Being able to detect a toxin is one of the best ways to avoid toxins. Now, today is week 2 of your heavy metals and chemicals detox. Now, if you started taking the activated silica, the BioSil, using 1 to 2 drops last week, this week you will add another 1 or 2 drops, okay? All right, now today is all about mold. Mold can be deadly. Even if you don't suspect you have mold, please take the time to read today's lesson. It's really important. I teach what you can do to eradicate mold, and you also have a cleansing meditation and an Epsom salts detox bath tonight. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Aloha.